Moonlight dances on Betka's white shore. Golden sand stretch, inviting a stroll. Footprints mark memories, waves whisper lore. Nature's embrace, filling my soul. Betka, oh Betka, your shore serenade. With each gentle wave, my worries fade. Sun-kissed and peaceful in your light I wait. On your calming shore my heart is laid. Cliffs rise rugged against the sky so clear. Shadows play on rocks as the seabirds cheer. Turquoise waters call, drawing me near. In this quiet place, everything's dear. Betka, oh Betka, your shore serenade. With each gentle wave, my worries fade.